My dear students, the whole world is in the disaster or problem of COVID-19. Every year we start our course in the month of April, but due to COVID-19 we couldn't start our course. So for the online teaching, our institute, Netaji Subhash Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, our headmaster and our supervisor motivated for the online teaching. So today we are going to discuss the poem unit number 1, 1.3. The title of the poem is Basket Full of Moonlight. This poem is written by Sunil Sharma. This poem is translated from Dogri language. This poem is the best example of free verse. Free verse. The speaker in the poem is a child. This poem is addressed to the moon. The picture of rural side is depicted. Depicted means narrated in this poem. Now, first of all, I am going to read the poem. Please listen it silently. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful, with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither birds nor carp flies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning, whole while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Dear students, the countryside picture is narrated in this poem. There is no electricity in the village. The total village is in the darkness. There is no transport facilities for that village. The road is rough and tough. You know the Indian roads, just the same. The road is very dangerous, and every day the poets, villagers goes to the city for work. The poet requests the moon, "O moon, give me moonlight, basket or two basketful." Dear students, you know the word basketful. In Marathi, we say as a topli bhar. He wants to sow that seed on both the sides of the road, so that the road will be lighter. From the city to village, on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small of moonlight. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. My dear friends, all the villagers, this also shows the family condition of that village. All the villagers are laborers. They need work. So every day they used to go early in the morning for work in the city and returns late at night the whole village goes to the daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. There is a long distance from the poet's village to the city, and there is no facility for the transporting. Neither bus nor cart flies from city to village or village to city. They have to walk, so that their much of the time waste in to and fro. My dear friends, to and fro means eza karne or ply, ply, ply. So the poet requests the moon to give him a basket or basket full of moonlight. The road is totally rough and tough. While returning, there is no light, and there is always the problem of villagers while returning from city to village. So the poet requests to the moon, give him a basket full of moonlight for lightening the road. When the poet's father returned home, at that time the poet is asleep, because the poet's father returned late at night to home, and the poet's father goes early in the morning. At that time the poet is also asleep. So the poet wants to listen moral stories, fairy tales from his father, so that he wants his father must come early, and for that purpose he requests to the moon, give him a moonlight. The child is very unhappy because his father returns early, or the child is very unhappy because his father returns home late at night. When his father returns, at that time the poet is fast asleep. He did not get the love of his father, just like Pune and Mumbai's people. He did not get the love of his parents. So the child goes to the bed before his father reaches home. His father leaves the home early in the morning when the child is asleep. They do not meet each other. The speaker requests the moon to give him a basketful of moonlight on loan, L-O-A-N. Here the economical concept is used. He wanted to return that loan. So he wants to light the dark route by it. He wants that his father would reach home early due to the light. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on sides of the path. Dear students, the poet or the child wished to sow the sides of the road, so that the road will be lightened